Ever wondered how the wealthy keep getting wealthier? At Davies Wealth Management, we've cracked the code on high net worth investment strategies that can transform your financial future. High net worth individuals don't just invest, they diversify across a broad spectrum of assets, including stocks, bonds, and alternative investments like private equity and real estate. They play the long game, focusing on wealth preservation and compounding returns, rather than reacting to short term market changes. These investors also leverage professional guidance to tailor their strategies to personal goals and risk tolerance. But it's not just about having money, it's about having a plan. Setting specific financial goals, regularly rebalancing your portfolio, and staying informed about market trends are key steps anyone can take. And while technology offers new tools for investment management, the personalized touch of a financial advisor remains invaluable. By adopting these high net worth strategies, you can build and preserve your wealth no matter where you start. Ready to take the next step? Let Davies Wealth Management guide you on your journey to financial success.